Hello, welcome to the new video. So I made some progress on the zip. The trunk is now painted as well, and some stickers are already on it. The Mychron is installed, and some of the fairings, not all of them yet. No bolts in it yet, but the trunk came out nice. The NX stickers, TI bolts, and yeah, for now it's still the old battery. We're working on a new battery, and it came out nice. Also have the car back, so I'll be able to go load the zip in the car, and then soon I'll be able to do a test drive if the weather stays a bit good. I also mounted some Velcro rubber rib ties, doing some of the cable management with that to make it a little bit nicer. I installed something here to keep the debris from going into the valve for the nose. So now next step is drill the holes for the mounting all the nose parts. But first I'm gonna drive it and see, maybe try to go dyno it to set it up properly. The jetting is still a bit off, but let's see if it starts. First try. Gyros perfect. Still have to find this piece here for the seat.